Kartia Velino is back again. Guys, I do this and I plead and I beg you guys, please to subscribe, share this video, leave me your thoughts and your comments. And also, while you're watching the video and any advertisement comes up, please do not skip that advertisement. You're not paying me anything to do this video. I take my time to do my research and to come and sit down here and share all the health benefits to the best of my knowledge to you. The only way you can pay back is at least to watch the entire ads, subscribe, leave whatever you think about the video. But mind you, no insulting comments. So guys, anyways, if you have not watched my previous videos, I did about 2 videos on how to increase your breast size and the things that you need to apply topically on that. So this is like a series 1, 2 and 3. So I will leave the link in the first comment box. Please do make sure you go there to watch that. So today I have more options, especially if you lost weight or if you're aging and then you find your titties going down south. There are so many things you can do to help lift them up. The first video I talked about the appropriate bras that you can wear. The second video I talked about the topical pins that you can. I talked about how you can use fenugreek to apply on your titties to make them stronger. Today I want to talk to you about the habits, other habits and the food that you want to start consuming today if you want to firm up around your titties area. So let's look at the first one. So for sure, if you do these things diligently, they are gonna work for you. But the thing is that lots of people don't have patience enough to use things and see the outcome. So the first thing you want to start doing, if you can, if number 1 and number 2 it does not agree with you, stay here to watch the entire options that I have. Number 6 or number 7 might be okay for you. So the first thing you want to do is to start doing some push-up. Push-up helps to strengthen and build up the muscles around the area here. You can also bench press can also help to sculpt the muscle around your titties to make them firmer. So if this does not work for you, if you're not a whole lot of people love to exercise. Now let's move over to number 3. Number three is massaging the area. When you massage the area, especially from your armpit where you have the lymph nodes to the muscle that help to the muscle around your breast area, they will help to increase the blood flow and it will also help to tighten up and firm your breast. The fourth one is topical. If you believe in topical things that you want to apply, there are so many creams over there at the pharmacy, medication. If you believe and you want to work on those things, hey, why not go ahead and do that? It's all about believing. If you do enough research and you want to try those ones, but I'm not going to tell you to stop. At the end of the day, it's entirely your whole decision. And also, some people that have lost excessive skin after weight loss might want to decide to go to the doctor to have a nip tuck, just to tuck it in and to lift it up, through the doctor. You know what I'm talking about, right? I don't want to call the nip like surgical, right? Yes. I have to be very careful about YouTube. Sometimes I just get fed up on what to say and what not to say on YouTube. So if you believe that you want to fix it through the doctor, go ahead and do that. The next one is, of course, number 5 one is wearing the appropriate undergarment, appropriate bra. Again, if you don't watch that video, please go back and watch that video. If you work out a lot, make sure that you're wearing the bra that covers the whole skin, that covers your whole breast. At this time, push-up is not needed when you go to the gym. You just need to firm it up and take control of that. So wearing the appropriate bra goes a very long way. The next one that you might want to consider is, so the sixth one is what a lot of people don't even put into consideration. The food that you consume has a lot to do with boosting up and bringing up extra. So foods like fenugreek will also help too. If you eat and consume fenugreek, you can drink a fenugreek tea to help to firm up the hormones that is responsible for your breast area. So fenugreek is excellent. It's, you know what, try drinking fenugreek tea today if you have not been drinking fenugreek. Yes. So another next one is something that is topical that you might want to consider whooping up in your own kitchen and making that. Cucumber has a whole lot of firming agents that will help to firm up your skin or the tissue. You can just juice some cucumber. Use cucumber juice with some egg, the yellow part of the egg, to help. So that will help mix it up together and rub around your breast area before you go to bed. So healthy habit. Everything we do in life is about healthy habit. If you put that into consideration and make it a key point that you really want to work on a certain part of your body, give it 100% and give it time and watch the whole thing transform. Thank you guys. Once again, share, leave your thoughts and your comments. I will see you guys in the next